everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving a verification code from the BNZ, here's what to do. First, check your mobile signal. Weak reception can delay SMS codes. Then, confirm that your registered phone number is correct in your account details. After that, restart your phone and request the code again. Make sure that your SIM card is active and able to receive messages. Test it by asking someone to send you a normal SMS. Then, if you're overseas, ensure roaming is enabled. Check your email box for spam folders. Go to the Gmail app, click on the top left corner, and then check your spam or your trash folder, as some verification may be sent by the email instead of SMS. If the code still does not arrive, contact BNZ customer support to verify your contact details. That's how to fix the BNZ verification code not working. Receive, subscribe for more.